Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to generate trial balance report from journal through pivot table. In previous video we have learned how to create these journal. In this video we will generate the trial balance report from this journal. Let's start. Just click anywhere in your data and go to the insert. In insert menu you will find the option pivot table. Just click here and I want a new worksheet. Just click OK. This is a pivot table window. Here we will create trial balance. Just drag the accounts into the row wise. It will display all the chart of account. Now drag the debit into the sum value. It will display the debit amount. Now drag that credit into sum value. It will display all the credit amount. Total debit amount is 7,25,000 and total credit amount 7,25,000. Both are balance. And in journal we created the one more column balance. Here we have put the formula credit minus debit. All the debit are in negative form and all the credit are in positive form. Just go to the trial balance and drag the balance into the sum value. Now all the debit are in negative form and all the credit are in positive form. Now balance is 0. It means this is a correct trial balance. If I remove the debit amount and credit amount, it will display the balance. You can view trial balance like this, and you can also view the trial balance with debit and credit. This way you can create the trial balance with pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.